Welcome back to another video. Happy 4th of July. So we are just sitting out. We are getting ready to look at a fireworks show. We weren't able to get out to the lake that I normally go to. That's where they're doing the fireworks at. So we're just kind of parked out on the highway, kind of adjacent, street kind of adjacent to the park, to get into the park. So we're just gonna sit out and watch the fireworks from here. It's less crowded. The boys have set their chairs out, so when they start, I will flip the camera and share the fireworks with you guys. So I hope everyone had a happy 4th of July, and I hope you enjoyed the fireworks show. And when they start, I will flip the camera and share the fireworks with you guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share the video out. Thank you so much. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I hope everyone is having an amazing day. Thank you for watching the video on today. My name is Mary. Welcome to Mary's Life Journey. If you haven't already become a part of the family, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure your notification is set to all, so you'll know when I upload all videos. So I'll probably in this clip include the fireworks. I did record just a little bit of the fireworks show that we went to for the 4th of July. You know, it's kind of hard for your camera to adjust to the lights and stuff. Hold on. It's kind of hard for your camera to adjust to the lighting and stuff. But if you want to see the fireworks show in real time, I did go live. I do have a video up on up under my lives for the 4th of July, so you can check it out there. But I will include a couple of clips in here. You've probably already seen it before getting to this part of the video. But we are just today. I am going to take the boys to the library to turn their books in, and we're gonna go to Walmart to do some grocery shopping because we need a lot of stuff at the house. And I'll try and stay within budget. My husband and I, we just had a tit for tat this morning about the grocery budget. So I'm going to try my best to stay within the grocery budget that we set for the house. So yeah, I do want to get some of my fruits and vegetables because I do want to try juicing. I told y'all I have a brand new juicer that I'm going to pull out that I have never used, and I want to try and juice a couple of things in my juicer. So yeah, But that's all that's been going on. We just been in chill mode here. Really didn't do a lot for the 4th of July. We just cooked out. My dad came over, and that was it. We just sat, listened to music, talked a little bit, and that was it. It was just a nice chill day. That's about it. School is getting ready to start back up here. My son orientation is coming up. Need to start preparing for him to go back to school. They actually go back August the 4th, I believe, 4th or 5th. And I think orientation is the 24th of July. So we're gonna start getting ready for school, doing a little bit of school shopping. Just shorts. It's so hot right now. You really just, it's no use buying like a whole lot of clothes and stuff until the weather switch, and it's like very hot here. We probably have another couple of months for the heat here. So you know, really just getting school supplies and things like that. That's what we're gonna be doing. But yeah, probably after this video, I have been trying to get I wanted to do a style video, some summer outfits for you guys. It probably won't come until after this video. I don't know, guys. I haven't really, like, honestly, I haven't felt like picking my camera up, and I haven't picked my camera up a lot since I came from off of vacation. I just haven't felt like it, you know. Sometimes you just have to take a break. You just need to, you know, step away from things. This car see me coming. Come on, man. Oh my gosh. Gotta turn around. But yeah, I was saying, I was sidetracked. I'm sorry, guys. I just haven't felt like really picking my camera up and editing and all of that kind of stuff. I had done a live, and I kind of talked about, you know, how I've been feeling, because I feel like I put a lot of work into my editing, and my views just really has not been there. And that's something I want to encourage all my viewers. If you're clicking on my video, please watch my video entirety. We can look at the algorithm, and we can tell, YouTube lets us know how much of the video that our viewers are watching. And it was just so disappointing to me, because I sit down, I mean, I feel like I edit the best that I can edit my videos out, and, you know, bring you stuff. And I don't know, I just been kind of like in my feelings, like, am I not, you know, trendy enough? I know I'm a woman of age and stuff, and this is just something I like doing. But you know, I bring y'all what's going on in my life. And I look at other lifestyle vloggers and stuff, and I'm like, well, am I trendy enough? You know, I'm not doing all that drinking and stuff that other YouTubers that I see are doing and partying. I'm not into any of that. So I'm just hoping that I can really find my tribe on YouTube, people who genuinely, you know, like my content and stuff, and who's inspired by my content. But yeah, it is so just kind of disheartening, you know, when I look at my algorithm and stuff. And you know, when you sit down and you edit out a video and you're not even getting 100 views, you know, come on, it's bad. So yeah, but that's where I am. I just wanted to let you guys know. So y'all go on and take your books in there, get in the line and check them in.
I gotta get my QR code.
You don't need it. You just turn it in your. So I'm sorry guys, I was letting the boys go in and turn their library books in. But yeah, so that's kind of like where I am. I'm sorry, I've been ranting on for probably a couple of minutes, about 8 minutes look like now. So we're gonna go to the store and, you know, grocery shop and stuff. I don't know, I may put my juicing in this video. I gotta get me some containers. I gotta find some containers to put the juice in, so I might put it in this video. And guys, I've been so inspired by some of the YouTubers that I watch, Feed Nicole, Queen Alchemy, Homebody Trish. They have been juicing, and when I tell you the juice look delicious, it looks so refreshing, and they all have been talking about the benefits of juicing. I'm gonna try it out. I had bought a juicer last year and we ended up moving, and I had gotten inspired to juice some stuff, and I never did. So my juicer has just been in my pantry, and I ordered my juicer from Fingerhut. Y'all will not believe it. Yes, I have a Fingerhut account. Fingerhut is still around. I ordered my juicer from Fingerhut, and it is supposed to be a nice top of the line juicer. It costs a lot. That's why I done it through Fingerhut, so I could just, you know, kind of pay on it and stuff. But I am going to pull my juicer out and juice. And also Naima Bennett, she done the juice challenge, and I was watching her video she just put out today, and she was showing juicing again. So I am going to juice, guys. I'm going to juice. I'm gonna try it out. I'm gonna get some things to juice. Feed Nicole was so nice to send me some recipes, things that how she juiced, the recipes, that things that she juiced together. She was so nice to send that over to me. So I am going to I'm gonna pick that up while I'm in the store too. So I hope I be able to include it in this video. So yeah. But that's enough of my ranting on. We are heading to the store. The boys then went in and turned their books in. We'll come back another time and check out more. There is a book that I want. I'm trying to get into reading myself. I had to go back to I gotta go back and watch the video. I don't know if y'all follow Alicia Giddies. She has a book club. I want to read some of the books that they read last year, and I got to write them down and write the author down. But I am also trying to get into my reading, guys, and stuff. Just, you know, trying to keep my mind, just keep my mind motivated and stuff. Because it's so easy to fall into depression and stuff like that. So I'm just, you know, with all that I have going on, if y'all haven't watched my laid off video, I have that video on my channel. Go watch that. You'll get caught up on what I have gone through, and that happened in May. So I kind of been facing that. And I am working on some things in the background for another job. So I kind of been studying for that. So it's just, I guess it just takes time for things to come together how you want them to come together. and stuff. So I'm trying not to be, hard on myself. So yeah, but that's all that's going on, y'all. I hope y'all, it's so dark. Oh God, it's just so dark. Oh, wow. I hope y'all could see me. Good.
They can. Some screaming and stuff.
Okay.
You don't make avocados? You don't make avocados? Are them limes? Oh, vegetables. No, squeeze behind you, sweetie.
Oh, sorry.
What else do we need? Tearing these up. I would have said that was nasty if she put garlic, but ginger is acceptable. Ginger spice. It's corn buzz. There's a lot of vegetable names on the floor, you know? Oh, another pepper. It smells like garbage. It smells like burnt cinnamon, bro. Get out. Get out. It actually smells like burnt cinnamon. Oh, chive. Oh, wait, no, These enough? Or get
Yeah.
one more?
That's good.
You need a bag?
Yeah.
There you go, get a bag.
we just left Walmart, and $176.65 later. So I came in below budget. The budget was $200. So yeah, $176.65 is the ending total. That should last for a couple of weeks. Hopefully that will take us into school starting. And maybe pick up a couple of items in between here and there. So this should last. I didn't get as much meat because Walmart meat is like very, very expensive. We have another store here that we normally go to get some meat, but I think we got enough to kind of hold over a little bit without having to make another stop right now. It is hot out here, and I am getting ready to go in the house. So I'll see y'all at the house. So hi guys, welcome back to another video. So not another video, this is just later on in the day. I went to Walmart. I got my fruits, I got some vegetables, and we are going to juice. This is my juicer that I have never opened, that I ordered from Finger Hut, and it's the Breville, the Juice Fountain Plus. So we're going to open this, and we are going to get it set up, and I'm going to prep some fruit, and I'm going to turn the camera. Okay guys, I have chopped everything that I'm going to use. I'm going to do pineapple and watermelon juice. I may put a little bit of lime in it. Let me find my lime. I cut up some lime. So I might put some lime in it, and I'm going to put some ginger in it. So guys, this is how the ginger comes. So I am just gonna pop one of the, well, maybe 2 gingers in there. I popped 2 gingers in there. And then the other one I'm going to do cucumber, apple, a little pineapple, some carrots. I forgot to cut my carrots up. I got to cut my carrots up. And celery. So that's going to be my other juice. I haven't got my jars yet, but I just kind of picked these up from the Dollar Tree. And I'm hoping this will be enough to house my juice until my bottles come from Amazon. So Josh wants to help me unbox the juicer, so he is going to take it out the box for me. Go ahead, Josh, take it out.
We never opened this.
Nope.
It's been a year.
It's been a while since we've had it. Looks like it comes with a book.
Oh, you gotta build it. Wow. A lot going on in the kitchen today.
So looks like it comes with a book, and look like they, I guess, telling you how to put it together.
This thing big.
So yeah, this is, here is the juice. I guess this catches the juice. And this is the bucket. that catches the, I guess, once it juices, it goes into the bucket. And, oh, what's this? Oh, it comes with a little brush.
You can brush it off.
To brush your, I guess, I don't know, maybe brush your fruit or something?
No, you mix it. I think you mix it.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
Here, I'll put this in there.
It would probably be the peanut juicers, anything that's stuff on.
And this is the juicer. Oh my gosh, guys, this is so nice.
Oh, Lord. Oh, my God. That's cool. That's cool. Whoa. It's already put together. All you gotta do is just put it up.
Here. So, let's see here. Oh, wow. It has like a big thing you push your fruit down in.
That's cool. You mush the fruit up.
And I guess reading is fundamental, huh?
Is this a coffee maker? If you don't use it.
I guess this is the inside part where the fruit and stuff is gonna go with the oh, this really breaks down. Here's another part. Okay, let me rinse all this off. Okay, so I'll be right back. So let me wash everything off. Okay, guys, so I got everything washed off. Guys, this is a really, really nice juicer. So it comes with the cup, and this is the cup with the juice is gonna come in. It also it numbers in ounces how much juice you are juicing. It has a little hole so you know that your spout from the juice goes here, and it has a bucket on the back to for your trash to go into, basically. And let's put that back. Make sure. And then you have like a big thing to put your fruit in. So guys, we are going to get started. I think I'm going to start with, sorry, had to clear some storage on my SD card. So let's get started. And as you see, you can hardly hear it. This is so nice. So you wash your hands. You want to put the fruit in.
Yeah.
Just stick it in there. Or let's see. Let's kind of load it up first.
I think you have to crush it.
Let's just load it up first.
Wow. That'd be enough.
Here we go.
Turn. I just.
Y'all see
wow.
it?
Yeah.
So
it turned into a smoothie.
So I think we should turn it off while we put fruit in.
It turned into a smoothie. Whoa. I want to crush.
Yeah.
I want to crush the stuff.
Okay, hold it. a high, low, and medium setting.
It must be on high if it went that fast.
Yeah. Let's make sure. Okay, make sure we putting it in right. So it has a high, low, and medium setting.
We making juice, organic juice from fruits. Are you gonna put the carrots in too?
Yeah.
Oh. Or are they already in there?
Okay.
Oh, it smells good. Yeah, it actually does.
Y'all, this thing is powerful.
It is.
Oh, wow.
Look at all these bits right here. That must be what the brush is for. Yeah, this must be what the brush is for.
And that's just all the watermelon juice and stuff like that. So let's put it in.
It's probably gonna make a better juice.
Okay, guys. So let me show y'all up close here.
Wow.
So this is all the juice that it juiced. This thing is so good and powerful. Oh my gosh. This is a really nice juicer. I highly recommend it to anyone. I will go on. I know I got mine from Finger Hut, but I will definitely search Amazon to see if Amazon has something similar, to link it in the description box. Okay, so we are going to do the next juice. Let's juice this up. We're going to taste test it.
All right.
Everybody is going to taste test because the boys are sitting here gawking and ready to sop it up.
What? What? We're just looking. Wow. Wow.
So,
We're just looking.
yeah, right.
I promise you we're looking. Since you give us a taste test, I guess we'll try.
So, this is how much juice.
Looks like mango.
It done 1,000. Let's see. I would say about in ounces, it done about 1,000 milliliters. And in ounces, it done about, I would say about 35 ounces of juice. So this is how it looks.
It looks like a drink you would get at Dunkin' Donuts. One of those mango drinks. Those mango looking things. Those little mango drinks for the summer.
I'm at the top. So this is it. I don't even know how big this bottle is, but I just gave y'all the measurements. I'm sorry, I'm sweating. Guys, our AC has went out. We're waiting for them to come repair it. So let's get some glasses. Let's everybody try some of the juice.
I'll learn how to taste.
There you go.
Alright, little sips.
There you go.
Thank you.
How does it taste?
I rate it a 7. Tastes like.
Oh, it is really good, guys.
It kind of tastes
It
like
is
apple
just
juice.
right. So the watermelon, pineapple,
Oh.
and lime and ginger.
That's good.
It is really good. Oh wow, that is so good.
That's good.
You want some more?
I'll let him use mine.
You want some more? Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah. It's actually good. Oh, thanks.
There you go. And if you don't want yours, I'll take your cup.
I just finished.
Because I'm going to pour the rest of this
That is some good stuff.
in here. Guys, I really need my bottles because I could prep this for like the week.
I'd give it a 7.
That tastes like something that you would get at Dunkin' Donuts.
That's something what you would have on a hot day.
Yeah, like a smoothie almost. It's actually pretty good. You added lime in that? Does it smell like lime?
So now, guys, we are going to do the rest of this, which is the apples, carrots, celery, ginger, and
Celery.
let's see, how was this on here? How did I? Let's see.
I think you got it the wrong way.
Do I have it? Oh, I
Yeah.
did. Did
Like
have
that.
it the wrong way.
Yeah. Or is it upside down? It looks upside down. Oh.
There we go. Okay.
Let's throw it in.
So let's see here.